Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 1st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla, we are down $1.63. Down 0.22%. We closed at 734.09. Post-market numbers are a little bit off. What do we have here? We have a higher high, we higher low. We have a very small bodied candle. We closed pretty much where we opened. And we have a longer wick at the top. We had selling pressure a little bit. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay, so we closed yesterday right here. So the body of the candle, I drew this support a few minutes ago. So at 7:31 was a support that was used yesterday. We closed there yesterday during the last 2 hours, and it was also used as a resistance right here on the 30th. We opened right here, so it looked very nice. We opened here, went up, went a little bit down close to 7:31, and then moved up. But then we have a wick at the top, no wick at the bottom, so selling pressure was there, and then we have been down ever since. But we have not been down too much, and we seem to be really taking into consideration this 7:31 here. I redrew this channel to make it cleaner. This is the channel that we are in. So we are still in this upward channel. Nothing is out of that channel. I had drawn the support line. In fact, this line should be green. I had drawn the support line a little bit too inside based on this outside wick, and it skewed everything else. So we had the stock coming out of the channel but following it underneath. Anyway, so this is looking a lot nicer, and this is reflecting a little bit more what is going on. So we are having a little bit of a cool down. So this leg up seems to be pretty much over. MACD has crossed over. Stick is going down. Not too much though, not too much. We are still quite strong from the RSI perspective. We are still above this support line here on the RSI. So all in all, I feel like the stock is still holding its own pretty good. So I'm happy about that. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at the indicators. So also, this is a support that we have here. This is a daily support, a local support. So this is pretty steep. We have gone from 650 to where we are now, 734, quite strongly in quite a straight line. And we seem to be having a little bit of a difficulty getting to 750. So we definitely see this down. As I mentioned in the past, because the channel is quite narrow, MACD is going to be all over the place and is going to be late. MACD is fine now, but it took him a while. Stochastic at 92, still very strong stochastic. That's nice to see. DMI still pretty good. So we see that the red line of DMI has continued going down, and the green line is slowing down also a little bit. And RSI, and this should be red. So RSI is still telling us that the stock is not as strong as when it was between 697 and 793, because this was the RSI level when we were between 699 and 720 and 723. And now that we moved past 723, RSI is telling us no, we are still not as strong as what we were here. So chances are that we are not going to go super high, super far with this move. But that's okay. We are taking a pause. The support that we need to think about is 723. If you have been in Tesla a little bit earlier, around 640 or 650, you can maybe start thinking of taking profit, or you can wait until things get lower than 723, because what may happen is that the stock might stay above 723 for a while before it decides to resume or decides to go back to the channel support. So that's going to be it for me. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can join me for $5 a month where we will take a look at the weekly technical analysis chart on the weekend. And because it's the end of the month, we are going to take a look at the monthly chart also for both Tesla and Palantir. So that will give us a nice overview of what there is to come technically for these two stocks. And if you happen to be on the web at the same time as I'm streaming, then you can join me and we can chat. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.